Meaning of fortification.
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 Fortification. Fortification refers to the process of adding vitamins and minerals to food products in order to increase their nutritional value. This practice is often used to address deficiencies in certain populations, such as adding iodine to salt to prevent goiter. The result of fortification can lead to improved health outcomes, such as reducing the incidence of birth defects and improving cognitive function. Additionally, fortification can be a cost-effective way to improve overall nutrition in areas where access to a variety of foods may be limited.